भाई सुपरमार्केट में आ गए हैं अल्बर्ट हाइन की। ये अल्बर्ट हाइन की सुपरमार्केट में देखते हैं भाई। यहाँ पे ये है बनाना का रेट देखो 1.89 यूरोस पर केजी। Excuse me. Hi. Do you think this is the cheapest supermarket in the whole of Amsterdam? Like
Cheapest?
supermarket, like
This is the most expensive supermarket.
this is the most expensive one.
Yeah.
So which one is the cheapest one? Like,
Dirk van de Broek.
huh?
I think the Dirk.
The Derek.
Yeah.
Then I've seen like there's Jumbo as well, right? No, so I'm basically filming this. Yeah. There's Jumbo.
Jumbo is also expensive.
Jumbo is also expensive.
It's all fucked up expensive.
Okay.
It's not nice.
So when you said the Derek,
Yeah.
that supermarket is somewhere close to this area or
No,
no?
it's on the west side.
On the west of Amsterdam. Amsterdam West, basically.
Yeah. There's at least one that I know.
Yeah.
There are multiple,
The
but
multiple.
there are more outside.
Okay. So this one is the expensive one.
And in particular this one because it's in the center. And
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
focused only on tourists.
Okay.
I live around the corner.
Yeah.
I don't really want to come here only for some things like that.
But you like live here only, like you're born and based out of Amsterdam only, or you're from some other country?
Yeah, no, I'm from here.
I'm from here only. Okay.
I'm half Greek, but I grew
Okay.
up here. Yeah.
So how do you think is the quality of life in Amsterdam overall? Like no, just the quality of life in Amsterdam. Like since you're born here and lived all your life.
I don't know. Yeah, well, I just came back from 2 years of living in Greece.
Okay.
So I don't know. Some things I do like it because I know it,
Yeah.
but a lot of things I don't like it. It has become one big mall.
More expensive.
Not only expensive, but it's only the whole city is commercialized.
Yeah.
It's like a big mall.
Big mall now.
Yeah, a festival and a mall, and you see very clearly two different ways of living. Either you're rich,
Yeah. Or
or
the
you're working class, but
middle class.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So no, I don't know. Maybe I'll go back to Greece.
Yeah.
And you, what are you doing here?
So I'm actually visiting Netherlands.
Yeah.
So I actually work in India. So like work in IT sector in
Yeah.
India. But then I'm just randomly visiting for a week or so
Okay.
because I've already lived in the UK for a couple of years.
Yeah.
So I was working there and lived there for like almost 4 years. So I'm now, I have my friends in Netherlands,
Yeah.
but that's something which is probably outside the Amsterdam.
Yeah.
So they're living like in a town basically, and then they are like working in a very big companies there. But then they prefer living in the town rather than in a big city here. So I think that's what makes a big difference probably, living in Amsterdam, because that's what I've heard from even my friends as well, right? The cost of living is quite high living in the city now,
Yeah.
and then paying the taxes and all, but then end of the day you need that work-life balance and the quality of life, right? So probably you're living outside the city, outside that hustle,
Yeah.
just to make sure that you're giving enough time to yourself. And so I mean that's what my friends suggest, but then because you are born here so you have a lot more better idea of how the city has behaved over the last 5 to 10
Last
years.
10 years is going down. It's disgusting compared to 10 years ago.
Compared to 10 years ago, yeah.
Yeah, it's only shopping.
And touristy, more touristy now.
Yeah, way
Pure
exploded.
touristy. Yeah.
Also from within the country, not only from outside the country, but
Okay.
everyone just. I don't know. I think the municipality just promotes everything. It's
Yeah.
about economic growth.
Economic growth, yeah. But then I think since I've visited, sorry if I'm taking so much of your time, but then since I've visited like other countries in Europe, like Spain or Paris or Italy, I mean the structure-wise, infrastructure and all, and the way everything is running here, basically, it's much more systemized
Yeah.
and also more safe, I would say, compared to like metropolitan cities like Paris or maybe Barcelona and all that.
That's true. That comes with the price. If you want things
Yeah,
to
it
be
comes with
more
the price.
efficient and to be also the newest and to replace humans with robots,
Yeah.
it doesn't get much better.
But which city would you prefer, like which has a balance of everything? Like in Europe, like has a good work-life balance, has a good pay, has a good life overall. Like,
You can get that here.
huh.
I think it's more easy if you know, if you've lived here. You will not get it in the beginning.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, it's possible.
It's supposed to be like with time when you probably live here and then
And
you know
and you
how
know
things
how
work.
to ask for.
Yeah. Got it. Okay. Thank you for the time.
Good luck with your.
Thank you. तो बहुत ही अच्छी कॉन्वर्सेशन रही भाई। तो उन्होंने लेडी ने बोला, काफ़ी बताया एम्स्टर्डम के बारे में। चलो अब आगे जानते हैं। देखो भाई सेब का प्राइस देखो। तो बेसिकली एल्बर्ट हाइन जो है बहुत ही एक्सपेंसिव सुपरमार्केट में आती है। तो उन्होंने बोला एक डेरेक है जो थोड़ा अच्छा और थोड़ा चीप वहाँ पे, मतलब अच्छा तो यहाँ भी है बट थोड़ा चीप मिलता है, मतलब सस्ता मिल जाता है वहाँ पे। तो यहाँ पर देखो भाई 1 किलो का प्राइस है 3.59 यूरोज़, प्रोबेबली 300 रुपये के 1 किलो सेब। और मेरा फेवरेट है जूसेस वगैरह। तो ये देखो जूसेस का प्राइस, सो इट्स लाइक 4.39, जो बड़ा वाला बॉटल है राइट में, इसका ऑलमोस्ट 400 रुपये का। तो सही है। चलो आगे के प्राइसेस देखते हैं भाई। ये है तो भाई एम्स्टर्डम में चीज़ का बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है चीज़। तो चीज़ का देखते हैं रेट्स वगैरह। यहाँ पे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ चीज़ मिलती है। मुझे भी इतना आइडिया नहीं है कितने टाइप्स की चीज़ होती है, बट यहाँ पर होती है। अभी आपको पहले वेजिटेबल्स में लेके चलते हैं। देखो वेजिटेबल्स भाई, तो ये गोभी आ गई हमारी 1.5 यूरो की, ऑलमोस्ट 125 रुपये की गोभी है भाई। ये जो लोग यूरोप में दूसरी जगह पे रहते हैं तो वो देख सकते हैं और कंपेयर कर सकते हैं कि क्या डिफरेंस है उनके प्राइसेस में और उनके अपने कंट्री के प्राइसेस में और यहाँ पर, या फिर जो यूएस में ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रहते हैं। भाई ये देखो, बाकी इट्स नॉट बैड यार। आई मीन मतलब मुझे ये नहीं लगता कि बहुत ज़्यादा, अगर आप दूसरी कंट्री से कंपेयर करते हो तो यूरोप की स्पेशली, तो इतना ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है। और यह माना जाता है कि एल्बर्ट हाइन में क्वालिटी थोड़ा अच्छा मिलता है ज़्यादा। तो थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव एंड पे रहता है बट क्वालिटी अच्छा मिलता है। तो जो लंदन में रहते हैं उनको पता होगा, यहाँ पे वेट्रोज करके सुपरमार्केट की चेन है, तो उधर भी मतलब वो भी हाई एंड में आता है, मतलब वहाँ पे भी ऐसा ही अच्छा और थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव मिलता है। बट यूजुअली लोग आते हैं यहाँ इसीलिए ताकि क्वालिटी फूड मिले उन्हें। अभी एक और चीज़ दिखाता हूँ भाई मैं आपको। मैं यहाँ पे एक हैप्पी आवर होता है, तो हैप्पी आवर होता है लाइक 4 to 7 ऐसे करके। तो उसमें दे गिव लाइक पिज़्ज़ा, तो फ्रेशली बेक्ड पिज़्ज़ा मिलेंगे और वो होगा, उसका प्राइस अराउंड 5 यूरोज़ का। और काफ़ी अच्छा पिज़्ज़ा बनाते हैं। देखो भाई ये देखो, ये चल रहा है अभी। देखो ये लेडी जो है फ्रेश पिज़्ज़ा बना रहे हैं। ये देखो भाई ये, तो अगर आपने यहाँ पे देखा वो भी हैप्पी आवर आएगा। तो अभी तक टाइम हो रहा है ऑलमोस्ट 6:15, तो 7 बजे तक आपको हैप्पी आवर वाला बेनिफिट मिलता है 5 यूरोज़ का।